go. All right, so in order to change the battery of this RH15, before you do anything, make sure put this whole product on a protective space because you don't want to damage the back side of the solar panel. And then check the switch, make sure it was off, like that. So that's on. You can actually see it's going in, so you have to make sure it's coming back on. Now you shut the whole circuit and you should be able to go. The first thing is to remove this part of the LED light, and you actually don't have to, but I strongly recommend you to do that. The reason I will tell you later in the video. In order to move this, you need to find a screwdriver with this one. It's actually 4mm. You can actually just unscrew the whole things. There's 4 of them. Make sure to collect every part of it so you don't have trouble finding it later. And once you remove it, you can put it somewhere else. And now you can see those two are actually the actual one that holding the battery. Okay, let's flip it over. And then you will see 8 of those screws holding this whole thing together, and you just need a screwdriver, a regular one, to open it. And when you open it, just be careful because there's a cable that connected to the circuit chip, so you have to be look at here. So don't pull it too strong, you might break it. Now you can see the whole picture of the things. So before you do anything, this is the battery, and you can just follow this cable and to here. That's where it plugs into the chip. What you want to do is unplug it first, and just be gentle and don't break anything. And in order to, for your own convenience, I strongly suggest you to remove the solar panel as well. Of course, you don't have to do that, but it's much easier for the later operation. And now you can take it off and put it somewhere else. Again, make sure don't damage this surface. All right. Now you can see this battery is held together by those screws. I actually already opened this one. So that one is already open. It's open like that. So the original one is here. Actually, you can see usually you have some kind of those silicone glues on it to prevent it from falling off. What you need to do is actually use a screwdriver or maybe a small knife to get rid of those things, because otherwise the thing will get stuck. Once you clean up those, you should have no problem to screw this back on. Make sure you use the one that is 9/16. You should be open it. The reason why I said to open this part is because those two are the one that are holding it. Sometimes this one could be loosened, so it will kind of make it to unscrew this part very difficult. So what you want to do is actually use this is a 6mm. Before you do anything from the back, you kind of just make sure it's holding very tight so it doesn't twist with the other part. Now you have, once you get this thing unscrewed, you can take this part off and you just replace the battery. If you really want to see what actually it does, I can show you in the next video.